Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at a 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. We're going to be installing a DV8 FS-7 front bumper with integrated LED lights and a 9,500 pound steel cable rough country winch. Our biggest tip for you is to remove this upper dust cover from your front bumper. What this will allow you to do is it will give you better access to the upper nuts on your bumper. If you don't take that off, it is possible to get access to them, but it's just hard to get your hand up in there and to loosen it and to remove your bumper. And from there, it's a piece of cake. Your bumper is held on by 8 nuts. Rip that sucker off, take your new bumper, slide it on, put your 8 nuts on. So, if you have any questions, leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call at 833-268-2577. And if you'd prefer to text us, do that as well. Anyhow, I'm Michael with Central Alps. Have a great day.